Hi, I'm George. I'm one of the physios from Paul Physio Rooms. Just wanted to give you a few quick tips on managing your symptoms of pulled muscles or torn muscles at home. And this would be following the RICE protocol. Firstly, that would be rest, and this just helps to prevent the injury from getting any worse. Ice to help reduce swelling, and that would involve placing a bag of frozen peas wrapped in a tea towel or something of that nature onto the injured area for 15 to 20 minutes, and then allowing an hour and a half in between icing sessions to allow the area to return to a normal temperature. Compression would be next, which is applying light compression to the injured region, which again helps reduce swelling. And then lastly, that would be elevation, which is elevating the injured area to again help reduce swelling.